up, everybody? Another day, another dollar. Today is Monday, starting off another week on Wall Street. Let's get things started. These are the top 5 things I'll be watching today. Kicking things off at number 1. Following 4 days of marathon talks, the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies, led by Russia, finally agreed on a historic 9.7 million barrel per day oil production cut agreement. President Trump welcomed the deal, saying on Twitter on Sunday night that it will save hundreds of thousands of energy jobs in the United States. However, with that being said, the reduction disappointed some participants in the oil markets, which were looking for much deeper cuts of around 20 million barrels per day. So obviously, looks like we have a volatile session set up in oil markets, which leads me to number 2. Oil prices are swinging between big gains and losses this morning. US WTI prices are up just 20 cents at the moment at around the $23 per barrel level. Futures were down as much as 3% earlier in the session and up by as much as 4% as participants continue to digest the landmark agreement between Saudi Arabia, Russia, and other major global oil producers. With that being said, still much needs to be done in order to make up for lost demand as the coronavirus continues to hammer the global economy. On to number 3. Speaking of the coronavirus, COVID-19 cases continue to rise around the world. As of Monday morning, there were almost 2 million confirmed cases and nearly 115,000 deaths globally, according to data from Johns Hopkins University. There have been some indications in recent days that the pandemic is starting to peak, so we'll be looking for more confirmations on that front. Over in the U.S., which is the most infected country in the world, there are around 560 confirmed cases as of this morning and nearly 22,000 deaths. On to number 4. Investors are bracing for another day of volatility on Wall Street. The Dow futures are currently set for a drop of around 300 points at the open. Last week, the benchmark index enjoyed one of its best weeks on record, rallying nearly 13%. However, I still believe that the relief rally off the March 23 lows has gone too far, too fast, and in my opinion, I wouldn't be surprised to see us retest those levels in the weeks ahead. And finally, number 5, away from equities, the dollar is trading a tad lower this morning, retreating from last week's 3-year highs. It's currently down about 0.1%, while 10-year treasury yields are holding steady on the day. So that's it for me for this one. We do have the start of earnings season tomorrow, so stay tuned for that one. That's it for me. May the trading gods be with you, and have a good day, everybody.